Our customers range from 18-year-old kids to, we have customers, I think the oldest customer we've put a lift on in his truck, it was 80, 82 years old. We specialize in everything. I mean, we don't specialize in one exact thing. We are very knowledgeable in everything that we do. We have customers that use their vehicles strictly for ranch work, hunting leases. We have customers that, like my wife's Tahoe here, it's a mall crawler, it's a grocery getter. They're big, but that's the market. Everybody wants that.